What has happened in BC Spirits, and Merry Christmas! It is BC Spirits Spirit Day 249, and it's Christmas. So it really did come for Christmas this week for me. I had so many great things come. It's really difficult because 249 fell on Christmas Day, so it should be something special. It's Christmas. And then 250 tomorrow is like a quarter century, which is quite a big milestone. So that has to be special as well. So I was kind of stuck. I was like, oh, I thought 250 fell on Christmas. And I was like, yes, what a freaking matchup. 250 Christmas, double it down, but it didn't work out that way. So I'm got a whole like hipster Santa thing going on right now with the beard and the hat and whatnot. But so I was like, oh, I was tossing around. I was like, because I got the two whiskeys in front of me. You can't see them, but the two whiskeys in front of me. I'm like, one was a really, both were really great gifts. One is like super, super rare. So I'm like, do I make that 250 or do I make Christmas? So I made Christmas, I think, is a bit more special than 250. So we are going to taste something that is ridiculously rare. You can't buy it. It is unbuyable, but it is a BC Spirit. And I have it. So at the end of the day, that means that I can do it because it's my show. So what we're tasting today is Okanagan Spirits. I can't actually pronounce this one. Infatigable, something like that. If you can tell me that, can you please phonetically spell it out in the comments section? So this was done for BTAP, which is a body that Tyler, who is the CEO of Okanagan Spirits, sits on, talks about a whole bunch of, they're basically a liquor advisory panel. They're the ones that give advice, whether it be craft spirits or new legislation, stuff like that. And so he did a special bottle up for him. There's only 44 bottles of this. So it's a 4.5-year-old bourbon style whiskey from Okanagan Spirits. So it would be about 51% corn. Then it's finished in a little bit of a sherry barrel, just a little bit of a sneaky sherry barrel. And then bottled at 47%. 42%. So, you know me, I love my bourbon. To be honest, like, I sell single malts. I love single malts. Like, look at my collection behind me. But really, I'm a big bourbon drinker. I love my bourbons. I'm really looking forward to this because I think bourbon and sherry really marry really well together. The Legend from Bean Suntory is absolutely money. And I love the fact that no one else can get this. No one can get this. It's just for little old me. It's my Christmas present. Oh, that sherry on the nose really has brought out a whole bunch of fruity esters out of that bourbon. Oh, that is delightful. Super fruity on the nose, which I do like the Okanagan Spirits bourbon. I've used their black bourbon in a cocktail of the week last week. Wow. Oh, on the palate. Just that sherry with that bourbon. It's just absolute magic. Absolute magic. That beautiful vanillas from the American oak. The beautiful sweetness from the bourbon. And then that sherry, just that smidge of sweetness. Like, it's like cocktail making. Like, that little bit of sweetness just makes the cocktail. This is fatty and round and fruity, like apricots, vanilla. I think this could be my favorite whiskey from Okanagan Spirits. So I am not going to dip into this too much, but I think this is my favorite whiskey from Okanagan Spirits ever. Like, I think the cask strength Letter Fincher is my favorite just for a while, and so was the rum barrel. But I think this is my new favorite. This is, I can't pronounce it. Indefatigable. No, it just makes me sound like a freaking idiot. Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day at home with your family and friends. Thank you, as always, for all the support this year. Number 250 is coming at you tomorrow. Got another great whiskey. I actually got another 2 great whiskeys still to taste. I want to sort of spread them out a little bit, but thank you so much for the support. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.